and show you how to access Sora from our school website. So for middle and high school students, if you go to our Lawson School District website, lawsoncardinals.org, click on menu, scroll down almost to the bottom, it says Library Media Center, LMC information, click on that. That opens up our school website, or I'm sorry, our library website for the middle and high school. Once you do that, right here is how the kids have already been accessing Sora ebooks. And so they'll click on that option right there. And then they'll get the screen, and what they need to do is click anywhere that says Sora. So they could click here, they could click on this image. They'll click that, it opens up Sora. And if they've never logged into it before, you'll probably see this, or you might see an option that says, what school district, and you have to search Lawson. So you do that. And then it'll want you to sign in with your school Google account. So it has to be your school Google account. You'll click on that, do your signing in. And now you're in Sora. Now, this is the MoreNet version, what we already had available. You can see it right here. It says MoreNet. That is one spot you can go to add the Rhea County connection. Hopefully you saw that when it popped up right here, green. You can do add library, or you can come over here to the hamburger lines and click add library here. Okay, so this won't happen automatically. The kids will have to add this library as part of what they're searching. So when we click add library, they will type in Rhea County. And there it is, Rhea County Library, Missouri Libraries to Go, Richmond, Missouri. Click on that. And now you can see it switched. We are in Rhea County's collection of e and audiobooks. And for me, my login automatically associates it with I'm an adult user. So you may see some books here. They're not necessarily available to the kids, okay? So they have them sorted by different topics. This is just what automatically pops up. But depending on what grade level your student is, they will have different access assigned to them in groups based on that. So they can search through for the different books that they want. They can switch back to that MoreNet only option that we've had for quite a while. So that's how you access it. It's super easy. I'm excited about the timing as well, because now in about a week here, they have 2 weeks worth of time to be at home, be off of school, and they now have this great digital option where they can access a ton of books. And they have audiobooks available as well, which I know that's best sometimes for certain kids. And so we love expanding that option for them. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hopefully the screencast tutorial will help. If you're more of a text, I just want to read the steps, I will provide that as well. And we'll have that linked on the library website too. Thank you.